Hey YouTube, welcome to my new video. Today we're going to show you how to tie a float setup for steelhead. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need your main line. I like to use a 30-pound yellow braid for my main line. I use Power Pro, it seems to do the trick pretty well. For my leader, I use anywhere between a 8 to 12 pound fluorocarbon. I usually use this P line. It works well for me, but there's a lot of options out there. You got your bobber stops. I tend to use these old string and bead ones. For me, they work the best. I tried to go with these rubber stops last year, and they just kept sliding, and my gear would get hung up in the bottom. So I definitely don't recommend these, but they are an option. You're going to have your float. They come in many different shapes and size. I use a inline weight. You can use snap sinkers and a swivel. There's a lot of options, but I'll show you how to use this method today. And we have various jigs, pink worm, just a few different ones that I use for winter on steelhead. This year I had my best luck probably on the pink worm, but you got the nightmare, and then this orange and purple jig. It actually has done really well for me over the past couple of years. So, well, let's get started. So we're going to start with our main line. What you're going to do is take your main line, you're going to put your bobber stop on. And these are real easy. Slide your main line through just like that. You gotta push this little plastic stopper through. That will just come off the end. Take the two ends. And of course, it's giving me trouble. Okay, that one defective. Let's grab another one out of my gearbox here. Okay, so let's try this again. Slide it through the plastic. Push the line up on the line. Pull out the plastic. Take both ends. And that's what we're supposed to look like. Nice tight knot. Hopefully you guys can see that. Pull both ends pretty good. And take our scissors. We're going to cut off this excess. There we go. We got our bobber stop. Next, you're going to need your bead. Just thread your line through. Next comes your bobber. Once again, just thread that through. Come out the other side. Alright, next we're going to put our inline weight. You can tie any type of knot here. I've always used this knot. It's very simple and it always seems to hold up. All I do is twist the line, run it through the hole, pull the line tight. Snip off the extra excess. So now here's your setup so far. You got your bobber, your inline weight, your bead, and your bobber stop. And for the most part, we're almost done. Next, you're going to take your leader line. I I typically use about 3 feet. It doesn't have to be precise, and it also depends a lot about what water depth you're fishing, how fast it is, what time of year. All that's going to depend. But for winter steelhead, usually I run about 3 feet. I tie the same type of knot. I just twist about 7 or 8 times. Oops. Run that through the loop. Grab the tag end, pull it tight. Snip off the excess. And now we are leader. We're going to put on the pink worm with the white jig head. Sometimes I'll use a blue jig head, but white seems to be the overall best. And once again, I tie the same knot. I just twist. Run it through the guide loop. Pull it tight. Snip off the excess. You're all set up now. Here's your full rig. You got your bobber stop, your bead, your bobber, your lead, leader, and your jig. And all you gotta do now is go out and catch some fish. One more helpful tip: if you're floating jigs on your leader line, you always want it facing up on the eye. Sometimes, especially after hooking a fish, that line will get pulled and it'll be facing the top. Now when that's in the water, it's going to end up floating around like this, and it's not going to give the right action. What you need to do is make sure every few casts that that line is pointing straight up. That way when it's in the water, it will have more of the right angle. It'll give your bait the right action in the water, and you'll just catch a lot more fish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, like it, share it. If you have any more questions about any other setups, leave me a comment in the comment section, and thanks for watching, guys.